Hi, it's Mona. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a fun bookmark inspiration, which is a perfect gift for your friend or yourself. For this project, I will use the Magic Iris Beehive add-on, flowers, and maybe leaves from Zesty Lemon, and the wavy banner from the Flippin Awesome die set. For the die cutting, I decided to use the paperback cardstock because it's a great neutral and thick cardstock. I have also used various textured cardstocks and vellum as well. All the used supplies are linked in the description box. I started with the base of the bookmark. For each bookmark, you will need 2 textured yellow parts as well as 2 more shapes from thicker cardstock. The paperback cardstock, what I am using, is just perfect for that. Because I want to create more bookmarks, I repeat this process 2 more times. Now I will add liquid adhesive to the ugly part of the cardstock and I put on it the yellow textured one. Then I repeat this process for all the die cut pieces. Now it's time to glue the beehive parts together. I put adhesive to this part here. I push it well and let it air dry. When it was dry, I just checked how it works and I think it's already lovely. Next, I am creating the sentiments. I run the wavy banner from the Flippin Awesome die set from violet and teal textured cardstock, but this time I will use their smooth side. Before the stamping, I am flipping the die cuts, which I will use as a guide to shape the clear stamps on my acrylic block. Once I am done, I just flip it back and it's ready to go. Thanks Sherry for this awesome idea. Before the stamping, I brushed them well with anti-static powder, then I stamped the sentiments from the High 5 stamp set to the die cuts. After this, I heat embossed them with white embossing powder. The next step is to create flowers, leaves and bees as well. I die cut them off camera and now I just need to put them together. This part is very relaxing for me. I just switch off my brain and enjoy the creating process. How about you? What do you like about die cutting the most? Let me know in your comment. The die cuts are ready, and it's time to put them to their right place. In the end, I added highlights with white pigment pen here and there as a final touch. I can't decide which one is my favorite, but I already know that the recipient will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!